In the last video presentation, I was talking about the consciousness curtain, that this curtain doesn't allow us to see the future, doesn't allow us to see what we supposed to see, because the effect is already there, like this coin, that the outcome is already known, whether it was tail or head. But there is a curtain, and this consciousness curtain is the pain that doesn't allow us to see. This curtain is actually a untransformed part of consciousness and our negative actions that we have taken. So is there any chance that we can take this consciousness? Is there any chance that we can take this curtain, untransformed curtain, this illusion, and just eliminate that from our life? So the outcome would be here, would be in front of us. When do we feel certain? When do we feel that this intelligent energy is around us? When there is this flow? When do we feel? When the miracle happens. So what is really miracles? For everybody of us, it means something else. For some people, miracle it means that I accomplished something that I have chosen to accomplish, or I plan to do it. So the miracle happens and I feel pretty comfortable and it is what it is. Or I think about something and it's going to happen. That's the miracle. Or perhaps something that we didn't think of and it happens. So of course everybody is going to define miracles as something else. But what a miracle means in spirituality? A miracle means to run to concealment. What does running means or has to do, and how can we associate run with a miracle? We know that when we talk about spirituality, a realm of spirituality, there is no time, no space, no motions. We know that there is no five senses, that everything is happening simultaneously at the same time. So when there is a desire and we think about something, it is happening right now. That's what we know. Now, we also know, living in our world, there is a cause and effect law. So if there is a success that we really accomplish and we feel so certain about it, yeah, we work very hard, we put everything in order, it wasn't easy, we put so much effort into that, but that's the outcome and we are happy with that, we feel we deserve that. We feel that. How about if something negative is happening to our life? Like right now, we feel more and more of this kind of consciousness of illusion. We feel that this curtain is stronger and stronger around the world. Slowly, it's generating this effect of the cause. Because in the negative actions or in the negative outcome, there is also order. So the order is not only in something positive, the order is also in a field of our life where it's something negative. So if we did something negative, the outcome is coming whether we like it or not. So it's building now. Now, how about if we take this outcome or whatever is going to happen or supposed to happen, if we take this curtain, which is pain, which is fear, which is anxiety, we can take it and put into, transform somehow, jump into to a realm of consciousness when there is a pure harmony, when there is no five senses, everything is unified. You see, but the problem for us is that we believe that there are five individual senses, that there cannot be unification between these two of them, for example, or five of them. That's the problem. But if you think about it, and science confirms, everything is consciousness. Atom equals consciousness. Everything that surrounds us constitutes of consciousness, which is 99.99%. Now, everything what is physical here, including me and you, it's 1/10 of 1%. So what is stronger? Let's take a couple of jars. In one of them, pour a spoon of tea and another a spoon of coffee, and then pour up right to the top water. What are we going to taste? Of course, we will feel and taste water, pure water. So how about, it's just logic. Think, so how about joining these two words together? If we take our word, which is 1/10 of 1%, and put into spirituality word, then you see this pain, whatever that is, they are going to be unified. They can be unified. as the senses can be unified. The question is, do we believe that? Do we believe in this kind of unification? And this is the miracle. You see, take something that was going to happen, a car accident, a sickness, a financial disaster, whatever that is, was going to happen, but it didn't happen. We can take that and put into spiritual realm. That is amazing, and that is the miracle. Of course, there is still going to be some consciousness and transformed consciousness of this illusion of this Courtain left, and we can work on that, and we should work on that, and I'm going to talk about it more in the next video presentation. But just to realize that we can do that and heal the process when we are now, what would happen if we take, let's say, 40 or 30 or 10% even, or 55% of this illusionary consciousness? How would you feel if we take that and put into the realm where it's the harmony and unification? You would feel certain, you will feel certainty, of course. So how can we influence, how can we take this Courtain? The first thing is to realize again that there are two universes, and the universe of physicality and the universe of spirituality, and they can be united. That is the most important thing. But the second important thing is to ask question. Ask everyday question. Start asking question. Why do you desire? Why do I desire? Do I desire because I want to share with money, with love, with my employees, with my friends, with my family. So I desire money because I want to share. But if I don't have something, because I suffer, how can I share? I cannot share if I don't have. So if there is a lack in me, I just, when I receive that, I will share with the lack. So you see, of course, the ultimate purpose of receiving is just to be a giver. So imagine that you desire money, but all the money you get, you will pass on, and you don't take anything from that. It's extremely difficult. This excruciating pain is within us right now. So of course it's so difficult to do so. So what can we do? Can we desire something and give it to someone else, but in this eliminate that desire of taking? Eliminate that desire of taking. If we eliminate that desire of taking and we just leave the desire of sharing, then we are going to create three forces, which are in atoms, and about which I'm going to talk next or more in the next video presentation.